Hey guys, this is a Hunter Stonington Ceiling Fan. It's in white. I have all 3 Stoningtons now. This one's from sometime in 2018. I didn't know they still made these in 2018. I think this is like a very, very late model. I have daylight CFLs in it. This fan has a really bad capacitor, but I have a new capacitor coming soon. So that's why I'm doing this video now, because the capacitor will probably come soon, and I'm going to want to put it in, like, right when it comes. But yeah, this is one of the many fans I got from JJ. This fan's in okay shape. I mean, actually, it's not in that great of shape. There's low. That's the low. This fan blows a good amount of air, though. The pull chain is also a little messed up. You have to pull it pretty hard. And yeah, unfortunately, that is medium. Airflow's okay. Go to high. As you can see, very, very slow. Has a slight wobble to it. I think the blades are a little messed up. But it blows a good amount of air. Even on this slow speed. This needs a new capacitor, and this will be a great fan. Thank you for watching. Bye.